Hi guys, Flo here, the consolist. In today's video I have to bring back the LED lamp from my kitchen. Yeah, as I thought, it's broken again. Yeah, it wasn't a lasting repair to bridge these contacts here. But after long last I found the fitting LEDs. Those exactly. Yeah, it wasn't too easy to find because they are 9-volt LEDs. Yeah, I finally found them and now I try to solder them. I never soldered SMD LEDs, so I don't know if it's possible or not, but I definitely give it a try. And now, without any more waffle, let's get started. So as you can see, those LEDs just rot and fall off. That's why I bridged this here, because if the connection is broken, none of the other one works. So I will clean this up now and try to solder one or two. And then I try it if it works. I hope it does. Yeah, let's give it a try. So now I will clean all those and remove the solder here, and then I report back, and then we see if it's possible to SMD solder these LEDs. So here are the new LEDs. They're incredibly small. 2 different sized pads. Yeah. I think they correspond with this. This one's bigger than this. So yeah, I don't know exactly how to do this best. I think I will pre-tin the pads a little bit and then come from the side and try to heat it up. Yeah, let's test this. Just want a little bit of solder here. Like so. So then maybe a little bit of flux. So this looks quite good. I'm happy with that. I have to rework all those, or maybe I just replace it too. I do this with all of them and then we can test it. So here is the last one. I will show you now how I did all of these. I have now a little bit of practice. So first I use flux. Then I pre-tin this a little. Then I take my LED there are different pads, one big one small one, and like the same here on the board. Then I place it, hopefully the right way, like this. So then I melt one side and slide this into. That's on there. Then the other side. So then a little bit of additional solder. Just a little bit. Here. And then here. So, and that's all that. So it's, yeah, I melted the plastic here a little bit, but yeah, not too bad. So that's all there is. Okay. So I had to change quite a few here. A few here, and those worked all. So now I plug it in and then we see if it worked. Fingers crossed. And yes. Yeah guys, this was pretty successful. Yeah, I was a little bit afraid that it would be very hard to solder these LEDs, but it's not. Yeah. I hope you like the video. I hope it's useful for you. If you like it, I would appreciate if you give it a thumbs up or consider subscribing if you haven't already. Again, thanks very much for watching my video, and I see you in the next one. Bye.